In this video, we're going to go over the basics of replacing a Xenon headlight ballast. This should be applicable to most cars that have Xenon headlights. Now, if you've got a headlight that's just gone out, you replace the bulb, and it still doesn't work, you may have gotten a bad bulb, but you also may have a bad Xenon ballast. There's a simple troubleshooting step that's going to help you determine if you have a bad ballast, and that's take the bulb from the good side, this guy over here, and then try him on the bad side, and then vice versa. Take the bulb that you just bought and put him in the good side. If he works over here and he doesn't work here, and the old bulb doesn't work here either, then that's telling you you may have a problem with the headlight, the Xenon ballast, or the wiring. Another thing that you can do is take both headlights out. If you're lucky, on this LR3 you can do this. The headlight will come out and the electrical connector will connect to either side. It's ambidextrous. It doesn't matter. Some cars you can't. On my Porsche you cannot do that. The headlight connectors only work one side either. But you may luck out like I did on my LR3, and you can swap it around and test them that way. So let's take the headlight out and look at where the Xenon ballast is. Here we have the headlight out, and we have our access panel for the bulb, and then the ballast is behind here. Something to note when you're working on HID or Xenon headlights, never work on them when the battery is connected or anything is still plugged in. They operate at a very high voltage and you don't want to be messing with it. Here's our ballast. Very simple. We're going to take the two screws out. Now keep in mind this is not a specific tutorial on how to do it on your car. It's just to show you what the procedure looks like in general. I'm going to take the headlight connector off. Here we go. And then we're going to disconnect the electrical connector. Looks like there is a tab there that we're going to stick our not super concerned about breaking the ballast because I'm not using it anymore. Here's the old ballast. As you saw, it's pretty simple. Unscrew it and then pull it out. Most headlights, they will be attached to the headlight and the procedure will be the same. It'll have a cover over it. It'll say high voltage. You'll pull that off and you'll be able to see the ballast. Here's my new guy. And if you notice, mine says Toyota on it, but that's okay because it's the same part number when I ordered it and it should work. We're going to feed our wire up in there. Make our electrical connection. Put the covers all back on. And here we go, I've got two headlights that work. So let's go back over the basics. Xenon or HID headlight ballast. If your bulb goes out, you buy a new one, you put it in there, it doesn't work. You're going to take that new bulb and you're going to try it on the good side. And you're going to take the good side and try it on the bad side. And that's going to tell you if both of them work here but don't work there, chances are you've got a bad Xenon or HID ballast. You're going to pull the headlight out. You're going to disconnect it, or you're going to disconnect the battery completely. You want to be clear, it's high voltage. On the back side of the headlight, there is going to be a cover. It's going to say high voltage on it. You're going to take that off. Couple screws, couple electrical connectors, snap, snap. You're all done. Very easy. If you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to leave those in the comments. I hope you found the video useful. Have a great day.